Hi everyone, I just want to introduce you to our very new Hydro Plus system. What is the Hydro Plus? The Hydro Plus is both a reverse osmosis system, bringing your water back to pure H2O, and it's a hydrogen generator, so it's infusing hydrogen gas into your water, which is nature's most powerful antioxidant. It's a super compact 2-in-1 system. As you will see, it's extremely small and neat and fits nice and neatly in underneath your sink. So how the Hydro Plus system works with the reverse osmosis is it's bringing your water back to pure H2O. It does that with a membrane, a reverse osmosis membrane. It filters your water down to 100 times smaller than one strand of one hair. So it's extremely small. It's removing toxins like fluoride, chlorine, lead, aluminium, microplastics, pharmaceuticals. Any toxins that's in your water is going to be removed by the reverse osmosis filtration. As well as the reverse osmosis purification side, you have the hydrogen water generator, which is infusing hydrogen gas into the pure water. This is giving you pure H2O infused with nature's most powerful antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It enhances your health, it improves your overall energy. It's therapeutic on over 140 different diseases in the human body. You can study these peer-reviewed studies by clicking the link somewhere in the description. It fits neatly in underneath your sink. You'll see it here. It's a very slimline and compact system. It's a self-serviceable system, so you can actually remove the filter and replace the filter annually yourself. It's extremely simple. You'll see on the front of the system, it's giving you a reading. It's counting the amount of liters that you're actually using through the system, and it will alert you when the filter needs to be changed. It's also giving you an ORP reading. That's an oxidative reduction potential reading. You'll see it here, it's going into the minuses. The lower that reading is, the more therapeutic the water actually is for your body. Above that, you will see the ppb, which is the parts per billion of hydrogen gas that's infused into the water. The higher this number is, the more hydrogen gas that's actually in the water that you're able to then absorb into your cells, giving you the extra hydration and the benefits of the hydrogen gas. This system comes with a dual lever tap. One lever will give you pure H2O for your cooking, washing your vegetables, etc. And then you have the pure water infused with the hydrogen gas from the opposite lever. This you will just use for your drinking water. If you don't want to have a dual lever faucet on your kitchen worktop, you have the option. We have two different styles of 4-in-1 taps. These taps have both hot and cold water, and it has a separate lever then for pure water and hydrogenated water. The hydrogenated water and the pure water will come up a separate channel within the tap, not getting contaminated by the ordinary hot and cold water. So to round up, the Hydro Plus system will give you the most powerful form of drinking water on tap at your kitchen sink in your home. It doesn't get any better than that. If you would like to see a review by one of our customers who has been drinking hydrogen water, just click the video somewhere on the screen.